Alright, hey YouTube, Doomus, I'll see you here back with another video. More Giant Lightning. So for this video, we got this Hearst muscle set, featuring Linda Vom as Hearst Golden Shifter. This is a set of 6. That was just this whole Hearst thing. I think I have a couple of these already, but I'm gonna open them anyway. I also have these Toys R Us exclusive 6-packs. I picked these up from Maze Collectibles. He picked up a collection, and I made a deal to pick these up from him. So we'll get to them after the Hearst cars. First up, we got First up, we got the Hemi Underglass Cuda. This was a wheel standing drag car from back in the day. And we got our Linda Von card right there. Shoot. Sorry, excuse me. And here we got our car. So as you can see, the engine back there, the wheel stander. So I think I might have this one already. I honestly don't remember, but either way, it's a cool casting nonetheless. I used it recently in recently-ish in Street Freak Spoilers line. Looks awesome. So there's that one. Next up, we will open up the 70 Olds 442 or 69 Olds 442. Yeah, this is 69. Yeah, this is 69. Yeah, 6972. Okay. Anyway, this casting itself debuted from Muscle Cars USA back in '95. So there's Linda Von in her one piece, and the olds. And actually, the Muscle Cars USA, the 10-car box or 12-car box, whatever, however many cars were in that one. I'm pretty sure it was a 10-car. Anyway, this car in there had this like very similar paint job to this. Made it look like the Hearst version, but didn't have like all the Hearst details and stuff on it. I think it's more white. This is more of a cream color, but that one's actually like white. Alright, next up we'll open up the 72 Hearst, or Olds. Which, okay. So, another Linda Von picture. And here is the convertible. This one, is the hood open? Don't know if the hood's open on these. Oh, it does. Okay, I didn't know if the hood opened on this. So, alright, cool. I didn't know. This was just something I didn't realize from before. That's good to know. They've recently started using this. They used this one recently again too. I think in I'm not sure what mix it was. It popped up. Oh, it's a collector tin. I think it's in a collector tin mix where they use this casting again. So not the best casting for sure. It's a little more plump, I guess you would say. Alright, next up, the Hurst Scrambler. So, Linda again. So I don't know if they... Oh, they must have used a bunch of different cards for these. Okay. Because that one, I already have the card for it. Anyway. Put those up there. And the Hurst Scrambler. Now, another one, I have a few of this release already. Not necessarily this specific one, but they haven't done too many of these outside of the Scrambler look, either for the version A or version B paint theme. So, it's always cool to see some love for that car. Alright, next up the Hurst Harry Olds. 67 Olds 442 with 2 engines. Well, here's the card again. I already had that one. There. And here we go. So this one, I know, again, they've done several versions of this in the original look of it for the car. Although I think there was a couple different ways they did the logos on the side, so sure there's some variation before all of them. Does it say 4.4 too much? Alright, and lastly, the 74 Olds. So, last Linda Vaughn card. And here we go. So this is actually a lowered base version of this car, originally debuting as from the Indy 500 and pace car 2-packs. And it had a taller base. They made a lower base like this a little later on. So there's the Hearst set. Alright, next up, we'll open up the Big Blocks 6-pack. These were Toys R Us, and as you can see, these were Toys R Us exclusive. Just put that there. I'm gonna hang on to this blister. Probably do something with it. Storage for something. Alright, so first up, we'll go ahead and open up. I'll get rid of this here. Get those off to the side a little bit. And first up, we'll open up the 70 Buick GS in black. So, and there you have it. So these all, I think these all have this, the Racer's Edge wheel. As you can see, it's got that little lip on the inside there. Apparently that helps make them a little quicker for track use. So there is the Buick. Good looking car. Next up, we got the 71 Plymouth Cuda, marked as a 383. Alright. So this one does have an opening hood. It's a little nicer, and this is a little nicer casting than the original Muscle Cars USA casting. So, can't really, or you can't see the details that great on the engine, just on the camera. So the lighting is awesome down here. But, either way, cool car. Alright, next up, we got the 71 Mercury Cyclone spoiler. Love the real car. Such a unique look to it, like that front end. I don't know why. I love it. So, opening hood. Crap. Okay, there we go. I thought I wasn't going to be able to close the hood. So, definitely a fun car. Alright, next up. 67 Pontiac Firebird. Probably marked as having a 400 engine. Would be my guess. And I'm right. So, there's the hood. So, yeah. Always a good looking car. Next up, 68 Chevelle. $396, I assume. I say 68 or 69? 68 Chevelle. So, yeah. I do like the 1968 a little more than the 1969, mostly because of the taillight. I like just having the taillights like this. Taillights are a little different. Front end's a little different too, but the taillights are the clear difference for telling if it's a 1968 or a 69. I do prefer the 68 a little more. And then lastly for this 6-pack, we got 71 GTO Judge. I have several of this casting that I picked up over the last year and a half. Awesome car. So there's that 6-pack. And then lastly, we got summer of '69. So Noah Mustang Cougar, another Scrambler, Roadrunner, and what do you call it? Camaro. Now I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna save this blister. Hold 6 of these cars together. Do something with it. They're quite nice to keep cars together. I might do something with them. Those are not getting thrown out. So anyway. Alright, so we'll just go right in order. First up, we got the 69 Nova. Okay. Oh. Nice done casting, just simple metallic green. Next up, 69 Mustang Mach 1. Has dark gold color. Get that open? Yep. There we go. Animals are freaking out, and I don't know why. So, good looking car. Alright, next up, 69 Mercury Cougar convertible. I think this is actually the first example of this casting that I have. I don't think I have any other ones. So, this is a, what's this, Capri 98. So it's probably Muscars USA 3. Yeah, I don't think I have another version of this casting at all. Well, it's good, so it's nice to finally have one. Too bad. Alright. Alright, next up. AMC Scrambler. This is like the version B paint job. Much simpler, more understated look to it. The blue wheel caps looks sharp with the blue. I really like it with the blue wheels. So can't really open the hood on this one. That's all right. Yeah, this one looks really cool with the blue wheels. All right. Next up, we got 68 or 69 Plymouth Roadrunner, orange with just the blacked out wheels. Also looks awesome, like this. I think they had done one in Muscars USA 2, in orange, but it had chrome wheels. This one looks really cool with the black hubs. I mentioned before how much I really like this casting for the stance and all that. So, all right, and lastly we got the 69 Camaro. Kind of a weirdly proportioned one. They've definitely done a nicer one since. This was what, copyright 99. Yeah, they did a nicer one probably. I think it was like 2000. I think it's a 2004 copyright. where they can do the front end either with the RS hidden lights or not. But it's just, this one, it's a little, again, kind of like what a lot of common things with Johnny Lightning back in the day is like kind of that, like that bulbous look to it. The one that they did a few years later, much cleaner looking. So yeah, so it was a pretty quick video, and we are already done. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully you enjoy. Let me know what you think, and have a good one. We'll see you next time. Peace.